Today I will teach you some sentences that you can use with the kids all the time. And if you know these sentences, you will learn to speak English very quickly. So let's get started. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Drink a plenty of water. Drink a plenty of water. I was not expecting this from you. I was not expecting this from you. There is no way. There is no way. What's going on? What's going on? You know you are getting late. You know you are getting late. Do you want to know a secret of success? Do you want to know a secret of success? How dare you? How dare you? Respect your elders. Respect your elders. That's wrong. That's wrong. Whose child is this? Whose child is this? Do you love watching cartoons? Do you love watching cartoons? He is dance. He is dance. Dance means a person who is slow at learning or a stupid person. Stay neat and clean always. Stay neat and clean always. That's not like a good boy. That's not like a good boy. Who loves you more, your mom or father? Who loves you more, your mom or father? Clean your nose. Clean your nose. Fill up the ink in the pen. Fill up the ink in the pen. I have hung your shirt here. I have hung your shirt here. Please give me peace of mind. Please give me peace of mind. What's the time now? What's the time now? You may fall down. You may fall down. Afraid of being asleep. Afraid of being asleep. Don't interrupt others while talking. Don't interrupt others while talking. How stinky your socks are. How stinky your socks are. Stinky means having a strong or unpleasant smell. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. Mend means repair. This is what I want from you. This is what I want from you. Wash your face. Wash your face. You are almost late. You are almost late. Close the book. Close the book. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. In which class do you study? In which class do you study? Put up the stove. Put up the stove. Where is my friend? Where is my friend? You should sleep. You should sleep. Get up early. Get up early. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Go slow. Go slow. It seems you have lost your wits. It seems you have lost your wits. Wits means intelligence and the ability to think quickly. Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. Where is my pant? Where is my pant? You are the most beloved to me. You are the most beloved to me. Come on, you are getting late. Come on, you are getting late. Go straight towards the school. Go straight towards the school. Keep the lunch box with you. Keep the lunch box with you. She was bathing her kids. She was bathing her kids. Where is my pen? Where is my pen? You have made me angry. You have made me angry. Bind the shoelaces. Bind the shoelaces. Don't poke your nose into others' affairs. Don't poke your nose into others' affairs. I have to sleep. I have to sleep. No excuse anymore. No excuse anymore. What made you worried? What made you worried? You deserve it. You deserve it. Cut your nails. Cut your nails. Go to sleep. It's almost late night. Go to sleep. It's almost late night. Keep this to yourself. Keep this to yourself. Shut the door, please. Shut the door, please. Where is the ink pot? Where is the ink pot? Definitely you are right. Definitely you are right. Hang it out. Hang it out. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.